This Kordisen 1.5QT and 2.5QT Nonstick Saucepan Set is like having two trusty sidekicks in your kitchen. They are small but mighty, ready to help you whip up any recipe. The granite coating acts like a superhero's shield, preventing food from sticking. So, even if you forget to add oil, your culinary creations won't turn into a sticky mess. Plus, cleaning up is easier than finding a pharmacy in a big city. These saucepans aren't just about looks. They are built for action. The pour spout is a thoughtful touch, like a built-in helper for transferring liquids without spills. And because they work on induction cooktops, they are versatile like an arts and crafts supply box. If you ever need a replacement for a worn-out T-Fal, this Kordisen 1.5QT and 2.5QT Nonstick Saucepan Set could be your kitchen's new best friend. Proper care will keep them shining and performing like new for a long time. We think this Kordisen 1.5QT and 2.5QT Nonstick Saucepan Set offers great value. It's a practical addition to any kitchen, big or small. While we don't have a blog dedicated to just saucepans, we can say that the positive feedback from users suggests these pots are reliable. Of course, always check the seller's policies for returns or exchanges, just to be safe. Overall, these little pots are dependable workhorses, ready for your next cooking adventure. Pros: 2 pot sizes, pour spout design, induction ready, PFOA, PFAS free, easy to clean. Comfortable handle, lids included. Versatile use. Cons: handle feels like silicone. Handle looks like wood. Pots are a little heavy. Screws for handles included. Assembly of handles needed. Not oven safe. Non-metallic utensils only. One set piece listed. Pour spouts might drip. Granite coating. Durability features. Kordisen Saucepan Set with lid 1.5QT to 2.5QT, non-stick, small pots, granite coating. Saucepan, pour spout, induction cooking. This Kordisen Saucepan Set includes 2 small pots, 1.5QT and 2.5QT in size, both with non-stick granite coating and lids. These saucepans are designed with pour spouts for easy pouring and are suitable for all types of cooking, including induction. They are made without harmful chemicals like PFOA and PFAS, making them a safe choice for your kitchen. This Kordisen Saucepan Set includes 2 non-stick pots, 1.5QT and 2.5QT, with lids, featuring a granite coating, pour spouts, and handles that look like wood but feel like silicone. Designed for versatile use on induction cooktops. These PFOA, PFAS-free pots are easy to clean and come with screws for attaching the handles, which requires assembly. Keep in mind that these pots are a bit heavy, not oven safe, and should only be used with non-metallic utensils. Also, the pour spouts might drip, and the long-term durability of the granite coating is something to consider.